everybody. Welcome to White House Fruit Farm in the month of July. I'm Debbie Pfeiffer. So we're out here in the midst of our 5-acre blueberry patch. Blueberries are our prime crop in the month of July, and we grow early season, mid-season, and late season varieties. So right here behind me I have the very first of our blueberries. This is July 2nd as I'm recording this, and we have our very first variety ripe, and we're starting to pick today. So we'll be picking these for in our market. The prime of blueberry season is normally the 2nd and 3rd weeks of July. That's when we have the most quantity if you would like larger quantities and you'd like to freeze. You know, there's no other crop easier to freeze than blueberries. All you have to do is take them home, wash them, spread them out on a cookie sheet and let them dry. Freeze them in the freezer on the cookie sheet so they freeze individually, and then pour them into freezer bags. That way when you go to take them out of the freezer, you can pour out what you want, seal the bag, and put the rest back in. Blueberries are fantastic on cereal, ice cream, or of course just eating out of hand. So the month of July, blueberry season here on the farm. We will have a few pick your own days for blueberries. We don't know when those are yet. Whenever we have enough berries and we have extras from selling in the market. So watch our Facebook page or listen to our phone message. Those are the two ways that you'll find out whether we have pick your own blueberries. Watch Facebook, listen to our phone message. So let's talk about some other crops that are ripening here on the farm for the month of July. In fruits, Lodi apples, the very first new apple of the season. That's our sour green cooking apple that makes wonderful pies and sauce. Not particularly an eating apple. It's very, very, very sour, and it doesn't store well. We normally use those for the first apple pies and sauce of the season, about middle of the month. We'll have some early peaches towards the end of July, and of course August is the prime peach month. In vegetables, we'll be picking sweet corn, candy onions, which are my absolute favorite, pickles, cucumbers, some early tomatoes, some early peppers, some zucchini, yellow squash are just a few of the crops that we'll be ripening and we'll be picking here on the farm. So every day's different in the market as to what we're picking. We've got all the pickle packets for processing your own pickles, and zucchini if you so wish. Sweet corn will be available here all through the next several months. It's going to be a great time to stop out at the market and eat fresh and eat local. Of course, also in the market, we'll have raspberry donuts for the month of July. We'll have all of our famous fudge flavors, pie varieties, fry pies, all of our deli. Our flowers right now, guys, in the front of the market are just spectacular. They've done so well this year with this heat and this drier weather, much better than previous years actually. So things are really, really pretty right now. So we invite you on out to see us. We're open 7 days a week till 5 o'clock. Stop out, grab an ice cream cone, grab some fresh produce. There's no better time in Ohio than summer produce season. I'm Debbie Pfeiffer. We'll see you on the farm.